Is this Fortnite? I guess Green Monkey is gonna play Fortnite. This is weird. I just expected I was gonna play some APOC with my friends, like Danube and Woolly Creeper, but this is weird. I swear I guess like APOC is so much like Fortnite, it just like put me in here. It's like so weird. What the heck? Oh, the battle bus. What? But it's launching. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. No. I do have a team, so let's follow my team, I guess. Let's follow Chicken Army Lord. There's all my teammates. Hello, teammates. Hi, teammates. It looks like we're in someone Rose. I don't know. Holy cow. Ooh, I found a gun. I'm gonna take my gun out. Ooh, slurp juice. I love to slurp juice. Oh, whoa, wait, what? I thought she's my team. What? What? She was on my team. What the heck? What? I'm so confused. It said she was on. She said, ew. She's a peasant. Guys, don't be a peasant. If you're a peasant, like, ooh, wait, what? Collect rewards? Ooh, I want to collect rewards. Ooh. Oh, look, I'm an old guy now. I have a beard. And I have, like, that anime hair. Oh, that's cool. I love anime hair. I like this. Yeah, I'm this guy. Am I gonna find this guy and that, and I'm gonna kill him, and then these two I'm gonna snipe, and then I'm gonna, like, jump up there, and then there's gonna be an explosion behind me, and then I'm gonna, like, kill the guy, take his stuff, and be like, ah ha ha ha, and then, yeah. Ooh, what's this? It looks like, wait, do I spawn? E. No! Missed my stuff. By the way, tell me how you can chat with other people. I've been wondering how to do that. I'm gonna jump down right there. And let me do my thingy. Oh no, there's a peasant. Okay, let's grab this. And then, because you know, sometimes sometimes we're lazy. Like, I get it. We're growing up. We get lazy. So then you gotta, like, take the roof sometimes. Let's see. I'm only finding pencils. Ooh, what's this? It's a chest. Can I use this? I've got a gun. Ooh, should I camp? Can I place anything? I can. I'm gonna place that there. Then I'm going to go out here. Take my gun out. And my goal is to kill some. Oh snap, there's two peasants. No! No, don't hurt me! No, don't. No. Okay, it's my last and final try. 'Cause I'm no peasant. I'm going to find a way. Yes, the way to kill all these peasants and act like I am ninja and myth combined and kill these peasants, smack their peasant mouths, and tell them who's peasant. 'Cause all those peasant wannabes are like, oh, I'm gonna kill him. Oh, I'm gonna double team. Oh, because I'm not good enough to just single kill. Oh, but no, they're peasants. See? Pez ants. See, look, even this person hates these peasants. What, we spawned already? Okay. I'm not gonna jump. Everybody can go. I'm staying on. Gonna stop right about there. I have a feeling right there is going to be. Oh, they've got pizza. It's called Tomato Town. Oh my god. That tomato's so ugly. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Can I have what? Let me kill this peasant. Ah, I'm getting hit. Peasant. Ow, see, look at this double teaming. See, look. You know what? I'm gonna end off today's video. If you enjoyed, remember to leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. This is Green Monkey signing off. Bye, guys.